Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to unprotect any Excel, sheet or webhook. Firstly, open Excel web workbook. Right click on the sheet tab at the bottom, then select Unprotect sheet. Enter the password when prompted, then click OK. You can also go to the Review tab on the ribbon. In the Changes group, click on Unprotect sheet. Enter the password, then click OK. And finally, you can do it from the Home tab. Go to the Home tab, in the Cells group, click Format. From the drop-down, select Unprotect sheet. Enter the password, then click OK. Just note that if the sheet was protected without a password, clicking Unprotect sheet will immediately unlock it with no password required. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.